Hello shining stars, your Hindi teacher Prajita is back with a new lesson from your Hindi course book Saral Hindi Pathmala class 8. And children, let's start today a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, Muthu Ghar Aaya. Muthu came home. Let's read in this chapter who is Muthu and what is the chapter about, what's the story about. See, two children are here, one child is holding a bat and one child is holding a puppy. दोपहर का समय था, जतिन और नीलेश खेल के मैदान से लौट रहे थे. It was afternoon time and Jatin and Nilesh, they were returning back from the playground. सड़क के किनारे एक नन्हा सा पिल्ला बैठा था. पिल्ले को चोट लगी थी. उन्हें देख पिल्ला कूं कूं करने लगा. And by the roadside there was a small puppy sitting and that puppy was wounded. And as soon as the puppy saw these two boys, it started whinnying. Koo koo karna means whinnying. Jatin ने उसे गोद में उठा लिया. Jatin took that puppy in his lap. नीलेश बोला, देख जतिन, इसके पैर में चोट लगी है, इसे घर ले चलते हैं. Now Nilesh said to Jatin that Jatin, look Jatin, its leg is wounded, let's take him home. हाँ हाँ भैया, ले चलो, जतिन ने कहा. Jatin said, yes brother, we'll take him home. दोनों पिल्ले को लेकर घर पहुंचे and they both came back home along with that small puppy. माँ बोली, अरे नीलेश, ये किसे ले आए हो? Then, as soon as the mother saw them, she said, अरे नीलेश, she said to Nilesh that Nilesh, whom have you brought along with you? नीलेश ने पिल्ले को माँ की गोद में दे दिया. Now Nilesh put that small puppy in his mother's lap. उसने कहा, माँ, इसे चोट लगी है, किसी ने इसके पैर में चोट मारी है. Now he said to his mother that mother, he is wounded, this puppy is wounded, somebody has hit its leg. Jatin भीतर जाकर दवा ले आया. Jatin went inside and brought some medicine. Nilesh साफ पानी लाया. Nilesh brought clean water. माँ ने पिल्ले की चोट धोकर उस पर दवा लगा दी. And the mother, she washed the wound of that small puppy and she applied some medicine on it. Look. माँ बोली, तुम लोग इसे संभालो, मैं इसके लिए कटोरे में दूध लाती हूँ. Then the mother said that you both take care of this puppy. I'll bring some milk in a bowl for this puppy. पिल्ला कटोरे में से दूध पीने लगा and the puppy started licking milk from that bowl. जतिन ने कहा, माँ, क्या हम इसे अपने घर में रख लें? Now Jatin asked his mother that mother, can we keep this puppy in our home? नीलेश भी जिद करने लगा, प्लीज माँ, इसे घर में रख लो ना. Now, Nilesh also started requesting his mother that mother, please let us keep this puppy with us. माँ मान गई. उसने एक चौड़ी सी टोकरी लाकर उसमें घास बिछा दी. पिल्ले को उसमें लिटा दिया. वह आराम से सो गया. Now the mother, she agreed to it. She brought a broad basket in which she put some grass and then she put that small puppy in that basket and that small puppy went to sleep. जतिन बोला, माँ, हम इसे किस नाम से बुलाएंगे? नीलेश झट से बोला, मुत्थु. Now Jatin asked his mother that mother, by which name should we call this puppy? And Nilesh at once said, we'll call him Muthu. माँ ने कहा, अच्छा है, चलो अब हाथ मुंह धोकर खाना खा लो. Now the mother said, okay, now it's fine. Now you both go and wash your face and hands and then come and eat something. कुछ ही दिनों में मुत्थु की चोट ठीक हो गई. वह दौड़ने भागने लगा. जतिन और नीलेश उसके साथ खूब खेलते. Now after some days, Muthu's wound was perfectly all right. It started running and playing and it played with Jatin and Nilesh. मुथु को घर मिल गया था और जतिन तथा नीलेश को एक नया दोस्त. Now Muthu had got a new shelter and these two boys, Jatin and Nilesh, they had got a new friend. मुत्तू हमेशा इनके साथ ही रहता और खेलता. जतिन और नीलेश से जो भी झगड़ता मुत्तू उसे भौंक कर भगा देता. Now Muthu always was with these two boys and he played with them. And Jatin and Nilesh and whosoever came and fought with Jatin and Nilesh, the puppy, this Muthu, he started barking on them and they ran away. हमें किसी पशु पक्षी को चोट नहीं पहुंचानी चाहिए. We should never hurt any animal or bird. ये पशु पक्षी ही भी हमारी तरह ईश्वर के बनाए हुए हैं. And these animals and birds, they are also the creation of God just like us. ईश्वर सर्वव्यापक है. God is omnipresent. Everywhere there is God. वह सब कुछ देखता है. The God sees, looks to everything. जो बच्चे आवारा पशुओं को सताते हैं भगवान उन्हें दंडित करते हैं. And the children who these stray dogs who don't take care of these stray dogs, God punishes them. कोई भी भला आदमी उन बच्चों से प्यार नहीं करता. And the children who tease and create a problem for these stray dogs, nobody loves those children. अतः हमें इन पशु पक्षियों की देखभाल करनी चाहिए. We should take care of these stray animals and birds. इन्हें स्वच्छ भोजन एवं स्वच्छ जल देना चाहिए. We should give them fresh food and fresh water to eat, fresh and neat, clean and neat water to eat. Sorry, repeating this line. इन्हें स्वच्छ भोजन एवं स्वच्छ जल देना चाहिए. We should give them fresh food to eat and fresh water to drink. जो बच्चे आवारा पशु पक्षियों की देखभाल करते हैं भगवान उन्हें आशीर्वाद देते हैं. And the children who take care of these stray animals and birds, God also blesses them. वे बच्चे अपने जीवन में सफल होते हैं और पूरे समाज और देश में अपना नाम कमाते हैं. Those children who take care of these stray animals and birds, they are very successful. Always they are successful in their lives and they earn the name and fame in the society and in the country too. So children, this was all about Muthu. What did you learn? What did you learn from this lesson? जानवरों की देखभाल करना. To take care of the animals. Now word meanings. मैदान, playground. कूकू करना, to win. पिल्ला, puppy. गोद, lap. चोट मारना, to hit. दवा, medicine. चोट लगी है, wounded. साफ, clean. संभालना, to handle. मान जाना, to agree. कटोरा, bowl. टोकरी, basket. घास, grass. दोस्त, friend. खूब, a lot. भगा देता, drove away. झगड़ना, quarrel. भौंकना, bark. सर्वव्यापक, omnipresent. दंड देना, to punish. आशीर्वाद देना, to bless. समाज, society. So children, go through these word meanings once again. Here are some exercises. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. Answer the following questions. पिल्ला कहाँ बैठा था? Where was that puppy sitting? सड़क के किनारे. सड़क के किनारे. ओके. बच्चों के पास पिल्ला देखकर माँ ने क्या कहा? When the mother saw that puppy with the children, what did she say? She said, अरे ये तुम किसे ले आए? जतिन और नीलेश को कौन मिल गया था? जतिन और नीलेश को एक दोस्त मिल गया था. They got a friend. दोस्त. Now, सही विकल्प पर सही का चिन्ह लगाइए. Take the correct option. सड़क के किनारे कौन बैठा था? Who was sitting by the roadside? पिल्ला, बच्चा, बूढ़ा व्यक्ति, a puppy, पिल्ला। बिल्ले को गोद में किसने उठा लिया? Who took that puppy in his lap? जतिन ने, नीलेश ने, माँ ने, जतिन ने। जतिन भीतर से क्या लाया? रोटी, चाकू, दवा। He brought medicine, दवा। पिल्ले को दवाई किसने लगाई? जतिन ने, माँ ने, नीलेश ने। Who put the medicine on that puppy's leg? माँ ने, the mother। पिल्ले को किसमें लिटा दिया? बेड पर, टोकरी में, छत पर। टोकरी में। Now what's next? Fill in the blanks. रिक्त स्थान भरिए। दोपहर का डैश था। दोपहर का क्या था? समय था। It was the afternoon time. दोपहर का समय था। उन्हें देखकर पिल्ला डैश करने लगा। When that puppy saw Jatin and Nilesh, it started whinnying. Means कूं कूं। क्या करने लगा? कूं कूं। डैश ने पिल्ले को माँ की गोद में दे दिया। किसने दिया? नीलेश। नीलेश ने पिल्ले को माँ की गोद में दे दिया। पिल्ला डैश में से डैश पीने लगा। That puppy started drinking what from what? पिल्ला कटोरे में से दूध पीने लगा। वह डैश भागने लगा। दौड़ने भागने लगा। वह दौड़ने भागने लगा। सही वाक्यों के सामने सही तथा गलत वाक्यों के सामने गलत का निशान लगाइए। टेक द ट्रू एंड क्रॉस द फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट्स। जतिन और नीलेश घर लौट रहे थे। Yes, they were returning back. This is true. उन्हें सड़क किनारे एक खरगोश मिला। Did they get a rabbit by the roadside? No. This is wrong. Cross. पिल्ले की टांग में चोट लगी थी। Yes, his leg was wounded. माँ ने पिल्ले को दवाई लगा दी। This is also correct. The mother put medicine. कुछ ही दिनों में जतिन की चोट ठीक हो गई। Was Jatin wounded? No, this is wrong. मुत्तू को एक घर मिल गया। Yes, Muthu got a house. This is correct. Let's move further. Match the following. समय. The time was of afternoon. समय दोपहर का। खेल का मैदान, playground. घायल, who was injured, puppy, पिल्ला। साफ पानी, clean water, चौड़ी सी टोकरी, broad basket. Now next is किसने कहा? Who said? Here are few statements given, so we have to write who said this. इसे घर ले चलते हैं। Who said this? नीलेश ने कहा। माँ, इसे चोट लगी है। Again, नीलेश said this. तुम लोग इसे संभालो। माँ ने। किसने कहा? माँ ने। The mother said. Please माँ, इसे घर में रख लो ना। नीलेश again. This was said by नीलेश. Okay? Now children, the next one is निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए। Answer the following questions. मैदान से कौन-कौन लौट रहे थे? कौन-कौन लौट रहे थे? Who were coming back from the playground? Jatin and Nilesh. So we'll write here Jatin और जतिन और नीलेश। ओके? पिल्ले को चोट कहाँ लगी थी? पैर में। पिल्ले को घर कौन लेकर गया? कौन लेकर गया? जतिन और नीलेश घर लेकर गए। जतिन और नीलेश। पिल्ले का क्या नाम रखा? पिल्ले का क्या नाम रखा? मुत्थू। पिल्ले का नाम था मुत्थू। Muthu. Fine. Let's move further. We come to the language part. वर्णों को सही क्रम में लगाकर शब्द बनाइए. Make words by putting the letters in correct order. Here some letters are given which are in an incorrect order, which are jumbled up. We have to put in a correct order and make a correct word. Masaya, it will come to samay. Samaya, samay. So write down samaya, samay means time. Kadasa, sadaka, sadak means road. Ratabhi, bhitara, bhitara means inside. Rikato, it becomes tokari means basket. Ratoka, katora, katora means bowl. Talakhe, khelta means to play. खेलता. निम्नलिखित शब्दों के लिंग लिखिए. Write the gender of the following words. Gender, masculine gender or feminine gender. स्त्रीलिंग या पुल्लिंग. Okay. Masculine means पुल्लिंग and feminine means स्त्रीलिंग. Pilla. Pilla is पुल्लिंग. गोद. गोद is स्त्रीलिंग. So children, we have how many gender? Striling, Purling and Napunsakling. Napunsakling is used for there are three types of links जैसे स्त्रीलिंग है, पुरलिंग and नपुंसकलिंग. So नपुंसकलिंग means neuter gender. स्त्रीलिंग is feminine gender, purling is masculine gender and napunsakling is neuter gender. So god is neuter gender, napunsakling. Bhaiya is again pulling. Ma is striling, feminine gender. Katora is napunsakling. Napunsak. Zid is again napunsakling. Fine children. निम्नलिखित शब्दों का प्रयोग करके वाक्य बनाइए. Make sentences using the following words. पिल्ला, एक छोटा पिल्ला सड़क किनारे बैठा था. So underline this. चोट means wound. पिल्ले को चोट लगी थी. दवा, माँ ने मुझे दवा लगाई. दवा, अंडरलाइन दवा. दूध, बिल्ली सारा दूध पी गई. मीन्स the cat drank all the milk. Underline दूध. दोस्त, सीता मेरी दोस्त है. दोस्त है। अंडरलाइन दोस्त, हमेशा, हमेशा सच बोलो, always speak the truth, हमेशा, underline this. Fine children, now let's move further. प्रश्नात्मक अभिव्यक्ति means creative expression. Think and tell. मनुष्य ने सबसे पहले किस जानवर को पाला था? Which animal did the human first domesticate? And children, for your knowledge, let me tell you, the first animal which was domesticated was a dog. Okay? Now project work. कुत्ता एक वफादार पशु है। लोग कुत्ते को अपने घरों में रखते हैं। कुछ अन्य घरेलू जानवरों की सूची बनाकर अपने अध्यापक को दिखाइए। As we all know that dog is a faithful animal. People keep the dog at their home. Now make a list of domestic animals and show it to your teacher. Domestic animals means the animals whom you can keep at your home. And matter of discussion, जतिन और नीलेश ने घायल पिल्ले का उपचार किया और अपने घर में रखा। यदि उसके स्थान पर आप होते तो क्या करते? जतिन and Nilesh treated the wounded puppy and kept it at their home. What would you do if you were in the place of them? अगर आप उनकी you would have been there, what would you have done? Just think it and write it down. Let's do and see. पालतू कुत्ता पर एक अनुच्छेद लिखकर अपने अध्यापक को दिखाइए. Write a paragraph on पालतू कुत्ता and show it to your teacher. पालतू कुत्ता, if you have a dog at your home, you can write about that dog, that I have this dog and it is very faithful. You have to write it in Hindi here. तो पालतू कुत्ता पर अनुच्छेद कैसे लिखेंगे? मेरे पास एक पालतू कुत्ता है. You can start it like this. मेरे पास एक पालतू कुत्ता है. उसका नाम You can write any name. If you have a dog at home, you can write the name of that dog. I am just writing a name. उसका नाम जिमी है. जिमी है. Like this, you can complete the paragraph. You can write the characteristics of that dog and why the dogs are very faithful. बहुत पालतू जानवर होता है, बहुत आज्ञाकारी होता है, and it takes care of your house. So you can write down a paragraph on पालतू कुत्ता. So stay tuned, children, for the new video. I hope you had enjoyed the chapter and will enjoy more chapters to come. So we meet in the next chapter again. Till then, be happy and stay blessed. Bye.